Yo man, what's going on? Welcome back. If you're new, it's Wahoo 18 right here, baby. What it do? Man, pandemic ain't in it, but you know, guess what? I'm going to Vegas, baby. Woo woo! Gonna make me some money. I lose a lot of money, one or the other. Going to Vegas with me and some crazy people, man. Got like 10 other people coming with me. It's crazy. I'm gonna be at that new hotel or the new casino, Resort World. Oh shit, that's gonna be fly, man. Lion Dance Me is doing grand opening lion dance show over there, so you know, I'm gonna go check them out. It's gonna be chill, dude. Brand new casino, Resort World, up in America, first time. I get to go over there. It's gonna be cool. You know I'm gonna eat a lot in Vegas, so follow me along, man. Especially if you love food. I'm gonna be doing a bunch of food reviews and you know, just showing around the different casinos. I'm gonna do a room tour of the Resort World. So you know, make sure you subscribe, turn on the bell notification, and like the video because there's gonna be a lot of content coming your way, man. Especially if you want to check out the new casino. I haven't been to Vegas since 2009, so I'm pretty sure Vegas changed a lot. This time, it's gonna be a little bit different. I'm not too sure how it's gonna be different, but I just feel like it's gonna be different this time, man. I'm kind of excited, man. You know, man, haven't traveled in a long time. I'm gonna be there for like 5 nights, 4 days. Today's Monday. I leave Friday night. Man, well, when I get to Vegas, it's gonna be Monday night. But, man, I'm excited. I'm excited, man. It's gonna be a lot of line dancing, a lot of eating, a lot of gambling, a lot of drinking, maybe. I don't know. Vegas, you know, what happens in Vegas stays in Vegas for the most part, except for the food review. You know, I'm gonna show y'all where to get the good food in Vegas. I'm gonna tell you if it's good or bad. Seen a lot of other people videos, you know, they recommend this, recommend that. I'm gonna try it out. If it's good, I'll let you know. If it's bad, I'm gonna let you know too. You know me, I'm real, I'm straight, I'm honest. So, you know, on the way to pick up Priscilla and Henry, and us three gonna get there first Monday night. I'm gonna meet up Mikey. He's flying in from Dallas, and then the rest of the crew is coming tomorrow late evening. Alright, man, just for now, man, I'm out, man. I see y'all in a bit, man. Maybe at the airport, maybe in Vegas. We see what's up. Peace. Y'all ready for Vegas?
Hell yeah, we're ready.
Y'all ready? Let's go. Houston, leaving Houston, going to Vegas.
Yeah.
3 hours. See y'all soon. Hey, how's your window seat?
It looks so nice.
That's the best window seat ever, man. Woo! Vegas, Vegas, Vegas. Yeah. Last time I was in Vegas, but with this person's dad. And now I'm with his daughter. It's crazy. VIP pickup by Lion Dance Me. Woo! What's this at? Resort World? First time. It's not even open to the public yet, man, and we're stepping in. It's crazy. A lot of VIPs here?
So when you get to the key, we are actually not just like, there's 3 different hotels here. Hilton, Conrad, and another hotel. So we're actually on the Conrad side.
Conrad side?
Yeah. So that's left. There's hotels that are
I don't want your mom yelling at me later on, okay? I know he got sandals on and everything too. I don't know why you walking so funny, dude.
Alright, it's kind of hard one with that. I'm scared.
The practice room where they're practicing for the performance. First meal in Vegas. Eating at the employee dining hall. This place is big, man. Going to our rooms. First time in our room. 222. Let's go, let's go. First time in our room. Oh, damn, this is nice. Holy crap, this room is huge, yo. Thank you, Norman. Thank you, man. Thank you, dude. Dude, look at that TV, yo. Oh man, I want to see my view. How my view?
What do you got over there? Let's see.
Oh, that's the pool.
Oh,
Oh my god.
yeah, I don't even have the view of the pool. Ooh, they just shut off the light so you can see it.
That's crazy, dude. I give y'all a full room tour later, man. I just want to chill out right now, man. It's like 5 o'clock right now in the morning, 5 a.m. We're just driving up and down the strips, talking to Norman most of the night, getting to know him. Been a great trip so far, so I didn't vlog much, but you know, just spending time and talking to people right now, man. Haven't really done anything yet. About to rest up, shower, unpack. I didn't even unpack yet, but yeah, I'm gonna unpack, shower, hit the bed. Tomorrow gonna be a new day. Not too sure what I'm doing tomorrow, but let's see what happens, man. Good night, guys.